Good morning. How are you? It's Friday, our second session for this week. That's lesson three of week two. So I've just stated here that we're doing in equations exercise 4B. Very similar to equation, but just a little bit extra work in regards to symbols. So Mr. Farragut will be presenting that in lesson three. And then I'll come back to the last item, that's regards to Monday's session. Don't forget to mark your attendance, that's lesson three. I have some students that still haven't done the work habits, or you think you have, but haven't completed it. So just check to see yours has been completed. So we're off to lesson three. So basically, let's get go there. So, Mr. Farragut has asked you to make sure if you've got any queries about exercise 4A, message me or email me, um, and I will attend to that. Then you are to watch these two videos. This one here is an interesting one. It's actually introducing you to what's called a number line, a way of representing the solution because there's more than one answer. And the other way, of course, is using what's called interval notation, using brackets and yeah, see if you can get the hang of that as well. So a very important skill that because we have more than one answer. Once you've done those two videos, then go across here to the file section. Don't do the PowerPoint because that's what Mr. Farragut will be using. That's his original. So go to this video where he'll go through that PowerPoint presentation. And then also he asks you to look at the solving inequality using your calculator. And that's very important because he wants you to do the exercises both at the same time. And remember, you're just following the workout line. As regards to Monday's session, as I mentioned in the news, there will be a free lesson for us to catch up, mainly to do with the mensuration assignment. So I will be asking you to do an Adobe scan or a CAM scanner so that you can send your work in. So if you can, in the meantime, load those two apps onto your phone and I'll let you know what to do with those scanned images. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Email or use the forum.